Okay, so hi, this is another remote control from AliExpress, and what is special about it I will show you, and also some instructions. Okay, what we can see in the instructions that you have, of course, a power, and the power can be from 3.7 up to 12 volt. The quiet sense current is very low, is 0.3 milliamp. This is a very good number because it is saying that it can be instead by for many hours, many days. If you have, for example, 1000 milliamp hour capacity battery, let's say 2000, so divide by this number, you will get more than 6000 hours. And if you will split, let's see the math, 6000, so I will do it exactly. 2000 divided by 0.3, again divide by 0.3, so yeah, we have 6666 hours, and if divided to 24, it can last 277 days, almost 1 year instead by boiled, and this is a very good number. Okay, so this is the remote, and there is a very small tiny PCB, which I like. Look, compare to my fingers, it's very small. So yeah, this is also a good thing. There is something to catch the remote if you want. And now it's obvious that the black and the red, of course, will be the power, and those the others will be the output of the relay. And now they are telling us that we can, of course, do the learning mode. So how do we do? Okay, so there is instructions, but before the instruction, of course, it should work as it came. So I will power up power supply. Let's say I will do it on 5 volts, 100 milliamp. Yeah, now I will be able to check if the numbers that they gave, the 0.3, is correct. And yeah, it is even less than the number, because it is jumping from 0.3 to 0.1 milliamp. Yeah. Okay, so if I'm pressing, I can hear the relay. You can see the LED, yeah, the blue LED here. When I'm pressing on off, so this is of course working. And about the learning, let's see. For example, there is also delay, so toggle. In order to toggle, press the learning button until it receives a LED indicator flash for 3 times. It means it's changed to toggle successfully. Press and hold. Okay, so you need to press and hold, and 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So now it should be. Yeah, it looks like it is in toggle. Okay. Okay, so they're telling exactly how to do it. For example, delay for 5 seconds, press and hold the learning button till receive LED indicator flash 4 times. The learning, press and hold the learning button. So okay, so each press here you see, okay, 4 times. You need to press it till you see 4 times, and now it is 4 times, so it is delayed for 5 seconds. Let's see if it is working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it did work for 5 seconds. So what you need to do is very simple. You just press the button and you will see the flashing changes between 1 flash and 2 flashes and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 will be to clear all the code, okay, because it is learning also the remote. So probably, I guess, if you will use another remote on the same frequency, it will also work. This is interesting. And yeah, very nice, very small, and I have to use it for a few things. So yeah, I will try to use this one. That's all for now. Thank you and bye.